Hello friends, now I will show you how to replace the toner cartridge and the drum cartridge on Xerox Workcentre 3335, Xerox Workcentre 3345 and Xerox Phaser 3330 models. Open the top cover by pushing this button, which is in the middle of the top cover. Push it down and open the front cover. Remove the toner cartridge and then the drum cartridge by lifting them up and straight out of the device. First the toner cartridge, lift and pull out. This is our toner cartridge and this is the drum cartridge. As I said, to take it out, just lift slightly and pull out gently. If you have the new drum unit, just place it back in a reverse order. First drum unit, then the toner cartridge. Now I want to tell you to be careful and not to expose the drum cartridge for over 5 minutes on the sunlight, because the light exposure can damage the drum cartridge. So that's it. Thank you very much and good luck.